Finally, step 5, celebrate and adjust. Someday you'll glance back and notice the space between where you began and where you are now. These moments are precious, acknowledgments of your accomplishments and sacrifices. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Recognize that your starting point has shifted, as have your expectations. Every step you take forward alters the landscape of your possibilities. Recently, I woke up with a plan, listing 3 objectives for the day on my whiteboard. However, the day took unexpected turns, and by evening, none of those objectives were accomplished. That feeling of not meeting clear goals is frustrating. After venting my disappointment on a call, I received reassurance realizing that these hiccups are part of the journey. Life, to me, resembles a staircase where stepping into discomfort fuels growth. As we conquer challenges, what once seemed insurmountable becomes ordinary. This time I found myself at a new step, ready to dive back into life's chaos. The intersection of adding value to the world and personal contentment is where life's magic resides. Reaching over 200,000 people with my thoughts feels surreal, a chance to offer a lift to someone facing challenges. Yet I also seek personal growth, continuously climbing the staircase, facing fears, and unraveling life's complexities. But this next step felt daunting. It demanded a significant change, a leap that would require leaving something behind. Stepping forward for years had prepared me, yet this leap scared me to my core. However, growth demands shedding the old to welcome the new. Returning to that list of unmet goals wasn't about the day itself, but about the person I strive to become amidst challenges. Leading others starts with leading oneself, embracing vulnerability and honesty. It's about finding strength within to navigate personal battles without seeking reassurance externally. Promoting myself mentally from dreaming to making things happen, removing the mental line separating who I am and who I aspire to be, is crucial. It's about finding internal strength to propel forward, to be more than envisioned, bolder and confident, even in the face of fear. The time for this internal growth has arrived, transcending the need for external reassurances and stepping into self-reliance. Deep within each of us lies courage, strength, and excellence, residing at the depths of an abyss that we must summon with all our might until it intertwines with our essence and our direction. As I sat there, a sense of impending change loomed, a change fundamentally rooted in self-perception. Most importantly, I pose this question to you. Are you at that precipice, gazing at a chasm that demands crossing? A culmination of all your decisions, courage, discipline, propelling you to this very moment, whispering of what lies ahead? Is it urging you to delve deeper, to become more than you've ever been? In my case, it wasn't about hiding problems or disregarding those around me. It was about evolving into a person who trusts oneself to weather storms, to move with unwavering conviction. That pivotal moment with the whiteboard and phone call marked a turning point, a catalyst for transformation. While my example might resonate with you, perhaps your path diverges, urging you to step onto a less traveled road, summoning the courage for that inaugural step. Whatever your situation as you peer at that next step, the crucial thing is to believe deeply in your heart and soul that you possess the essence to become that person. The world won't believe until you do. Hence, believe in your dreams fiercely, for they are the architects of your future. Remember, your current reality is shaped by what you allow, and at any moment, you can escalate, climb higher. Grant yourself permission to embrace that person you aspire to be. It's daunting, it'll hurt at times, but let's embrace vulnerability. Let's showcase what's possible when we step into life as its rightful creators, rewriting destiny with each courageous act. Can life change in a day? What if today we commit to action, to decisiveness, even if it's a singular move, however small? Let action reign supreme, acknowledging that the result of our courage, be it favorable or not, gives us a starting point to progress from. Today, let's understand that a vision coupled with a small step is where transformational power lies. It's easy to forget the elation of progress, the joy of building something meaningful. We thrive on mapping uncharted territories, shaping our existence. We possess the capability to envision what's yet unseen, and with courage, we're limitless. When we settle for the status quo, something within us craves more, yearning to unlock the next door. Let's discover that one door today, relishing the surge of inspiration that propels an idea into reality. Momentum connects every facet of life. One action sets off a chain reaction, altering the course of a day, perhaps even a life, without needing miracles to pave the way.